Sick of hearing the same ringtone every time your phone rings? Want to add a personal touch to your iPhone? You're in the right spot. In today's video, I will show you how to change your incoming call ringtone with just a few steps. Let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a little, find Sounds and Haptics, and then tap on it. Here, you'll find the ringtone feature. To change the ringtone, tap on it and you will be taken to this page. From here, tap on the ringtone you want to use as your incoming call ringtone, and it'll be set as your ringtone. If you don't like the ringtones here, you can download tones from the iTunes Tone Store. For that, tap on Tone Store. Then tap on Tones. Next, just buy the one you like and you will be set. Quite easy, right? So, that's all everyone. That's how you change the incoming call ringtone on your iPhone. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button. Want more iPhone tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.